Hi there, I'm Ramesh, English Guru, Director and Associate Professor in Pharmacy as well. Now I would like to introduce our English Guru app we are launching. That's the reason I'm making this video. And with less price, you can get spoken English, IELTS, communication skills, personality development, variety of courses. Out of all, mainly you can get spoken English and IELTS with less price. And you can find on the first slide English Guru. There on the left hand side you can find our logo and English Guru, whatever the title also you can find. In Google, what you have to do, simply you just type Ramesh Reddy English Guru. You can download our app, and we are offering 50% discount as a launching, like app launching. That is the main concern we are making this video. And mainly here, obviously everybody has a question: why, or what is the point of hiring English Guru, not somebody else? Why should we hire English Guru, not somebody else? So the main reason is we are mainly planning almost all the South Indian languages to English. Means if the trainer already knows the mother tongue, what happens, it is very easy to communicate as well as let him or her know easily, like convey the message easily. So that is the reason Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, to all the almost all the South Indian languages, and Hindi to English also we are planning. So that is the reason you can hire English Guru. That is the one main cause. Okay, and what is the other reason behind hiring English Guru? So the main reason behind is, apart from multi languages we are focusing, we teach through stories, we teach through like a podcast or audio tracks, we teach through variety of quiz or puzzle or activities, not simply going to the grammar. That is not our concern. Our concern is out of the box. So, and we are exploring around the India. That is also one of the reason you can hire us. So the main reason is mainly everybody, most of the people have big fear about public speaking or spoken English. So to reduce that one, to erase that one, mainly we are launching this app, as well as we want to like help around the India. That is also main concern. And you can find our testimonials here. So here you can find, like with the DHL and MNR College of Pharmacy, our testimonial pics. You can find their cake cutting was done, and here I was receiving an award from concerned principal. And what are the other testimonials? Here you can find one school we offered one communication skill session, as well as here awarding certificates to the DHL, here the courier boys, and also some pharmacy college students also you can find over seminar done regarding communication skills. And following you can find in Vignan University, recently I had given one session concerned with the communication skills. And also in English Guru also you can find the pic. So with the variety of students around India, like they are from Bihar, Orissa, Maharashtra, Hyderabad, almost 3 to 4 states you can find here. And apart from that, I also proudly say I received a certificate from like IIT Kanpur on like a certification, particularly developing soft skills and personality. I received a certification course, and certification is done. And for with 90%, I obtained 90% marks also. Of course, marks also not the main concern, but no doubt I would say proudly I did well in this concern, and content also I will provide you. In concern with the following slides, you can find my whatever the profile. Here I am done like a master's in pharmacy, as well as I was pursuing PhD, and I teach English, IELTS, and also I'm a motivational trainer. So these are also one of the reasons why we have to hire English Guru. And this is my track record, like 11 years experience I have in teaching, and also 6 years I have in only particularly spoken English and personality development. Our clients are like DHL and Gati Analytics, Vignan University, variety of pharmacy colleges, all these, and we have our own institute. So that's the reason you can hire us. And concern with why should you hire English Guru? Still, if I want to elaborate it, you particularly you want to get a corporate job, obviously you have to hire us, and you want to free from the stress. So most of the people nowadays having variety of stress, irrespective of whatever stress, whether it is a job or personal life or professional or relationship, whatever. So that's the reason we can address all those things. And for having a healthy communication, obviously you can hire us. To balance work and life, you can hire us. And for having warm relationship with your who are the beloved people, and also to grab global opportunities and to fulfill your financial desires. So these are the some of the causes why you have to hire us. And concerned with the courses, what are the courses we are offering and what is the methodology you are offering here, we'll have a look at. Here you can find what are the 7 steps that will help you to improve your spoken English and you'll be a good public speaker. Storytelling, listening to stories as well as podcast, and brainstorming, nothing but getting ideas while you're speaking. Obviously you are lacking ideas, speaking is nothing but idea. So how to get ideas and learn through fun activities, and also read that you like. Like if you want to improve your English, obviously you do the one you like. Example, I like motivational training, you have to listen, or I have to listen more motivational training. If you like something else like movies, you just watch out more movies. So that's the reason you just pick the one you like. It's not like that only newspaper you have to read. Okay, and role plays and just a minute sessions also we can do, conversation skills. So these are the variety of steps involved, if you for practicing English as well to update English in less time or short time. And concerned with the what are the courses we are offering here, you can find like spoken English and IELTS, personality development, and voice and accent. So these are the some of the courses we are offering. One moment. Yes. So here you can find what are the courses we are offering: IELTS, email etiquette, voice and accent, advanced English course, spoken English. These are some of the courses we are offering. And concerned with the app launching, we are link whatever the link also we are dropping down. You just copy paste, and in the Google, that is also one method you can download, or else simply type Ramesh Reddy's English Guru in the Play Store. That will help you easily you can download. Or else WhatsApp me, I just dropped my WhatsApp number at the last slide. You just WhatsApp me. That's also other method to get our app. And as launching offer, we are our app launching offer, we are giving 50% offer first month. So you can grab it, and I promise. So before and after English Guru, you can completely differentiate, or you can find your life completely different. So that I promise you. And so any queries also, I just offer some sort of career and personality development also, like Sundays. Okay, that also will really help you if you are really motivated, want to learn spoken English. This is the right platform. Thank you for giving this opportunity. And the uh, what you can get from this English Guru, I strongly say you will be really confident. That's the one thing I would say. And apart from that, you can find our WhatsApp number here, 950599820, or else Android app link also I just dropped here. We just copy paste, and in the Google, that's how also you can download it. Or else you type in the Play Store Ramesh Reddy's English Guru, easily you can download the whatever our app. So English Guru is the app name. And if you want to clearly get the app, Ramesh Reddy's English Guru, like that you can type in the Play Store. Okay, so please reach out us. And we are launching the app, as well as within 2 or 3 days we'll start. Like today's 19th, so by 22nd or 23rd we'll be running a demo sessions. Okay, no doubt you can attend. Should short, you will have good session, I promise. Thank you a lot.